Okay, hi everybody, welcome to the channel ETblok. Now I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. There's a snowstorm right now and we're gonna drive to Montreal. We're in the south shore of Montreal right now and we're gonna take the bridge, Jacques Cartier Bridge, a bridge from the 30s, and usually there's lights during the evening, but now we're doing the day because there's snowstorm, and we're gonna drive right downtown on René Lévesque, and we're gonna see how far it goes, how long does it take. Maybe we're gonna take another bridge, maybe I'm gonna stop before. So let's go. I do drive a manual stick shift, and let's see how it goes during the snow. Sorry for the wipers. We're gonna try to do it less. It depends how much snow it comes down. Okay. So I have room to come in and drive here. They're gonna try to go fast, trying to be safe. It's sliding a bit. Hopefully in Montreal, the snowplow crew did their job on René Lévesque. This is the street we're gonna go through. It's going to be much easier than this right now, hopefully. And there's more cars, so maybe it's going to be more on the pavement. Oh, sliding a bit. I have to change lanes. I'm gonna write down about here. The temperature is right on the edge of freezing temperatures, and the amount we're supposed to have this morning, and the amount we're supposed to have tonight. We're January 15, and no, 16. Yeah, it's Saturday 16, and we're it's on Saturday. I'm not working, so I said, let's drive in the snowstorm for my channel. I have my coffee. I don't think I will be able to take a sip while driving, maybe on the red lights. I don't know, we'll see. Now it's much easier right now because it's on pavement, so see, thank you, more cars. You can see the amount of wet snow going through my tires. You can hear it. Then I'm gonna change lanes to the slowest lane. Plus I have to turn right at the end of the bridge. Slow the wipers a bit. Let's see how it goes. It's crazy that we don't see far. We don't see the buildings. right under this bridge right here on this section is Six Flags amusement park. We call it La Ronde. And it's been here since I think late 60s, early 70s. Yeah, late 60s with the Montreal Expo 67. Close. So I have winter tires. In Canada, we have to have, in Quebec, it's a rule starting December 1st to have winter tires on. And there's a certain grade we have to respect. So there's a logo on our winter tires. It's a mountain with a snowflake. And if it's other than that, that means it doesn't pass the Canadian grade, so we don't have it. It's illegal. So one day we're gonna cross here during the night into the lights. Right now we have a curfew for the COVID, so I have to get back home at 8 p.m. Unless it's for work, I can stay up later. Unless it's emergency or helping someone in emergency, you can do that. The snowplow is right in front of us. That's why it was so good. I'm driving about 30 kilometers an hour. It's about, I don't know, 20 miles per hour. I'm slowing down a bit. I will drive around 40 to 50 kilometers an hour. So 35 miles per hour, just about, during the whole trip. It's a boulevard we're gonna go, and it's right where the tallest buildings are, the area, because we're gonna go towards downtown. So if you guys want to comment, where should I drive? Where should I walk? Just write down below, send me a message, anything. And let's go. I'm gonna drive all the way to downtown. I'm gonna stop there because I don't know how long it's gonna take. For sure, I'm driving slower than usually, so this is where we're gonna turn on René Lévesque. We're gonna follow a snowplow. Or maybe not. Maybe he's going straight, so yeah. For me, I'm turning right here. We're gonna go under the bridge right now. Oh, very quiet street. Won't be able to stop, so I will continue. We just passed the radio stations and RDS, which is the French version of TSN. It's like Sports Center for United States, or ESPN. Let's try to take the line here. It's so hot in my car right now. I don't have my winter coat on. We need the warm weather so the snow will melt on the windows on the side. So I have to. Maybe I have time for a sip of my coffee. Yeah, cool. Still a bit hot, so it's still good. So in this channel, I will do some driving, walking, like I said. You can see other videos about that, and have like a small segment is trending with coffee. It's me talking about things popular on the internet or in the world, and I'm gonna give my opinion and everything. I'll try to cross here on the yellow. There. This truck is a bit on my lane, so I'll let him go. I am in no rush. We're gonna cross over, not cross over, but go through a bit of Chinatown, because the edge of Chinatown is on this street, and I walk on my other video, and it's going to be soon. So that's perfect. On my left is the new mega hospital connected with the University of Montreal. We call it the CHOM. There. So right now we're on the east side of the city, and there's a main street, Saint Laurent. Like I told before, it's like the center of the city. And after we're crossing that street, we're going to be on the west side. So it's not that bad of a snowstorm. It's the first major snowstorm, I think, for this year, for this season of winter. But we have no wind. And wind is a big factor when you're driving during a snowstorm. You can have black ice going under with the wind blowing the snow. It creates black ice, so it's very dangerous. But now I feel safe because it's going a bit down, the snowstorm. When I started to pack up my things and get ready, I think it was snowing much heavier. So this is Saint Laurent Street, by the way. And no wind equals more fun. For driving, at least. And the snowflakes are huge, and the snow is sticky. There's lots of water in the snow, so. And after that, we can see we're gonna enter in the downtown area, and the buildings are getting taller. So too bad we won't see like real far ahead because it's like in the storm. That's it. Perfect. I do love manual transmissions. If you tell me there's a certain model of car that I want, I can buy brand new, only automatic, or I have to go like older years and pick manual, I will take older years and pick manual. But it's very unpopular right now. I think it's only 18% of the cars are manual on the streets, and new cars, I think it's like around 10%. So I don't know I'm gonna do like a few years further down the road, so I don't know. Pretty cool Saturday though. There's not much traffic going on. People won't shop on this snowstorm in Montreal, and people are not working at the workplace usually. So most of during COVID they work from home for the businesses, offices. So for sure Saturday they won't go to work in the office. This is Peel Street. We're still on the René Lévesque, and we're going west. You can open your Google Maps and find the corner of Peel and René Lévesque. Usually at night, I like to drive during. I prefer. Let me start over. For my channel, I prefer driving during the night, but because of the curfew, I'm gonna do like early morning. Bit slippery right here while trying to going forward. Sliding a bit. it's been a while I didn't drive here, so I'm seeing like all the new constructions. Like, ooh, it's starting. Ooh. And now we're leaving downtown. We're gonna go west, and we're gonna see how long does it take. And it's gonna be quieter also. Going forward. On my right, across the street, there's a place where nuns would stay. I don't think it's that anymore. I'm not sure. Watch for everybody. And snowplows. This is a private business snowplow for driveways. We're gonna turn left here. It's gonna be at water, and we're gonna get to the bridge of Samuel Champlain Bridge. It's a brand new bridge, just open, huge bridge. We're gonna have it's 3 to 4 lanes per side, and in the middle we're gonna have an electric train going to Montreal. It's not ready yet. I think the first test drive is going to be this spring, and for sure I'm going to try it. Maybe make a video about it. Oh, I have snow coming down from the roof. I was a person crossing, so that's why I didn't go. That's the man right there. Perfect. Everything's going well right now. I didn't slip a bit. While driving to my starting place at the video, there was a turn and I lost control of a bit. My rear end turned too much, but I know how to put it back on the road straight. I think it's everyone who drives in the winter time should practice how to regain control when the car slips too much. It's a 2-wheel drive, my car. I wish I had wheel drive. I was shopping for it, but I was shopping for manual, and you get 4x4 and manual. I know it exists, they have it, but like more demand you have, the less cars on the market we have. So I tried one manual. No, I tried two manuals, 4x4s, but all-wheel drive, and they had too many mechanical problems, so I didn't went for it. So I do suggest people, when you buy a car, go and see a garage you trust and go do an inspection before buying it, just like a house, because your two most I'm trying to find, I have French in my mind right now, the two most items you're gonna buy during your life is going to be, usually for the most people, a house and cars. So don't get trapped with a bad house or a bad car. Inspect them. Oh yes, we're learning in this channel. Usually inspection for a car, it's like $50 American, Canadian, all the way to $80 Canadian. I don't know about in the US. Oh, and it's so warm. I will stop drinking coffee, and I have water also. Perfect. I'm ready. Okay, going straight, perfect. Hey, you never know. Right in front of me, the big tower, is an old market, Atwater Market. So if you guys don't know how to write René Lévesque and you don't know where I'm at, Atwater, so A-T, water, like water. So market, and you're gonna find this place easily. It's a cute market. And we're going in a small tunnel. And you can see Atwater written right there. Okay. And I will take the advantage that there's no snow. I'm gonna change lanes. And also, when you drive during winter, you don't change lanes the same way you change lanes during summertime. You do it slowly and you as straight as you can. You don't jerk the wheel. I remember I had a friend who was just got their license, and she was driving. I followed her one time because we're working at the same place, and she was going to her home, and I saw during summertime the way she was changing lanes and everything. And I said, you better change your way you're changing lanes, because during winter time you're gonna lose control. And that's what exactly happened to her. She was doing changing lanes, and then she lost control and she went to the ditch. I thought I had was a bit. Ooh, we're losing control. Okay, so I'm gonna turn here, and you can see on the sign Pont Samuel de Champlain Bridge. And now we can turn. I don't have traction. we're gonna be okay. I didn't have the momentum to turn and go up a bit, so. Plus my tires are full of snow, I bet. And we're gonna cross the bridge, and right after that, I'm gonna end the video, okay? I don't know if you will see it on the screen, but we're gonna see the old bridge on my right next to it. Yeah, I'm gonna drive on the best lane that I can. I'm gonna go my wiper a bit faster since I'm driving faster. I'm doing 60. It's about 40 miles per hour, so 60 kilometers an hour. It's about 40 miles per hour. I won't go faster. Usually it's a bit faster, the speed limit, but every driver should expect other cars to go slower during a snowstorm. And we're talking about the couvre-feu, the curfew, right here on the sign. A reminder. That's a type of video I wanted to do, to cross one bridge, go to Montreal and cross the other, and I did it in a snowstorm, so that's perfect. One time I was driving near Quebec City, and huge snowstorm. There was a highway, it was a two-line highway, only one was plowed, and the side, including the fast lane, the snow was higher than my car. It was like a tunnel. It was amazing. It was scary. And so that's nothing right here, right now. And you can see on my left, by the way, is the tracks for the electric train. We're not on the bridge yet, so. Now we're at Île des Sœurs. Is it non-island in English? I don't know. I think so. For me, it's crazy right now because, you know, I'm driving in the snow, whatever. I'm driving when it's good weather. But now I know I'm recording and I see nothing ahead of me, like the South Shore, the middle of the bridge with a huge tower. And I'm just thinking, wow, we don't see anything for the video. People are driving faster, it's okay. If you feel comfortable to drive faster and your car, maybe they have all-wheel drive and everything, or heavy as a bus, it's okay to drive faster, but I expect like others to drive slower. I have cars behind me driving my speed. You have to respect the others also. Plus I'm filming, so I don't want to go fast and everything and concentrate. I have to talk and drive, so I have to go slower. Wow. So that's nice. It's almost done. The video went well. Do you have any questions, suggestions, comment? Please like, subscribe, because if I want to grow this channel and do live streams, I have to have subscribers. So please do it. And we can see the tower now in the middle, and on my right you can see the top of the old bridge, and it's much lower than the new bridge. They kept the name, and I think in the next few years they're gonna dismantle the old bridge. This bridge lights up at night also, but much simpler than the Jacques-Cartier bridge. So right now we have 3 lanes open, the 4th is closed. So it's a good amount of lanes, I think. The old bridge only had 3 lanes, but 1 was for the bus. So, and there's no middle for train tracks. Now we have like the future in front of us. I'm gonna go exit right here. Whoa, whoa. When you drive in the snow like this, snowstorm, you have to learn how to be patient. Plus, I know my winter tires are much older, maybe than this guy in front of me. It's I have a couple of years on them. And my car is much higher than his car. More square. So we can see signs to go to New York State on my left, but I'm turning right. And I'm gonna stop at the gas station, another one, not the same at we're starting. So, and we're gonna stop there. We're under the old bridge. Now we're under the new bridge. We're gonna stop here. Oh, there's a policeman behind. Okay, perfecto. I'm gonna stop right here. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching. And please subscribe, comment, like. Go see another video, encourage me, so go and see another video. And my segments, Trending with Coffee, would be much smaller than this one. And it's about under 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna go an average 10 minutes or under. And that's it. So if you have any suggestions, don't forget to write to me, okay? So thank you. And see you when the snowstorm is gonna end. Bye.